So hi guys, welcome to my vlog, and for today's video, we are going to Multnomah Falls. But before that, my father-in-law gonna drive us somewhere close to the airport of Portland. So my husband's friend's gonna pick us up there. And this is the view. That's Mount Hoods, and it's so nice. It's still like snowy there. And yeah, it's so sunny but still snowy up there in the mountain. It's so nice, isn't it, right? And the weather is so perfect for our adventure because we're going to hiking and yeah, visiting a couple of falls today. And before that, before going to Target, we drop by here in Wendy's and buy some breakfast for us. Look at that, it's so clean around here. It's so nice, right? So I got coffee. There, that's my coffee. And I got sandwich. So yeah, there's Target there. So yeah, we have to stop here in Target to buy some stuff going to Multnomah Falls for our little adventure. So let's go. Okay, so that's iconic. Alright. So, gyoy 3 in 1 dre ilang kape. Awawa, joy 3 in 1 do. Mao na, kapehan dere, walay 3 in 1. Sa Seattle pa ko sigig pangita wa joy 3 in 1. Ang Nescafe ka na ragyod. Yan ako eh. Pa-joystick diri. So, kung palito, kanina lang siguro. Kanina kay 4 rong. Wak mo, kay coffee. So, mukha na. Kanina lang. So, coffee diri 3 in 1. So, mukha na, we. 499. Ragod mo rin ang Nescafe dari o sa Asia perting na ang Nescafe. Anak dapat og bana o. Sila rin daw mag-inom o inom kay ko niya. Yeah, malangga gyapon kay diba tos? Paglagod siya pag gunita niya bilbil. This one daw is like a pandesal. Dawa King Sawayan. Marato rabi siya. City Rangduha. And thank you for watching, guys.